Yo, what is up everyone, it's Tube and welcome back to another Pokemon Go video. So when you start off in Pokemon Go, it's hard to find Pokemon. You find Pidgeys and Rattatas, and rarely actually. So in this video, I'm gonna show you actually how to find crap tons of Pokemon that's gonna get you from level 1 to level 15. You're gonna get so many Pokemon. So it involves what you see on my screen right now. If you look at my screen right now, there's a Drowsy that won't leave me alone. And it's even more hilarious that the Commander Hypno's there. But this spot is filled with Pokestops, and it's conquered by a gym. So not a lot of people know about this, but there are two ways to actually attract Pokemon to you. The first one is with an instance. I actually have an instance activated. There's 5 minutes left in it, and what it does is lure this Pokemon towards me. But instances are weak compared to the other one, which are lure modules, and lure modules are harder to get. You actually get one when you turn level 8, and you get one when you turn, I think, level 10 and onward. Right now, I'm level 11, and I've never bought an lure module before, so I can actually show you how many you get. Look at all this. You get freaking super potions, revives, and all that. So I got 2 lure modules, so you gotta use these wisely. But what you gotta do is, you gotta find a spot with at least 2 Pokestops in it. Right here, I found a spot with like 10 Pokestops in it. Activate a lure module in some of them, and put your incense on, and you're gonna find crap tons of Pokemon. And not just that, you'll find, it's crazy. The second I enter that domain, there's gonna be Jinxes walking around, Hypnos following you. You think I'm lying? Let's go. We're gonna drive right by this one, and all we have is an incense activated, and we're just going by a Pokestop that has this. And look at that, a Zubat instantly appears, a Pidgeotto instantly appears. Whoa, I wanna catch that Pidgeotto. You could totally use that to conquer a gym. All I did was drive by one with both of those things activated. And right here, you can see Tauroses and Horsies, random Pokemon start appearing nearby. So now that you've seen what happens when an incense meets a lure module, let's see what happens when an incense meets 3 lure modules put right beside each other. This is crazy. Wow! There's people lined up using it! I can't show you. There's like a group of 15. Look at all these Pokemon appearing. Look at that. What? You can catch these Pokemon and become level 10 in like an hour, in like 45 minutes. I just drove by. If you sit your ass there, you're gonna get all the Pokemon. But now we're gonna make it even more hectic, because I got 2 lure modules, and I'm gonna install it in both of these. So you click the white thing here, and if you have one, you can install it. So install it right there, and it's gonna start, those petals come out. Is that a Nidorino? That can't be a Nidorino. I've never found a Nidorino. Oh, it was a freaking Nidoran. Boom! This is so popular, there's like 20 more people that just joined. Oh, look at that! A Jinx just appeared. A Jinx. A walking Jinx. And you just click on it. Oh! It didn't catch you? That's crazy. Listen, I haven't conquered a single gym, and I just found a Jinx coming to this place. If you find a spot with enough Pokestops around it, you can install enough lure modules to get yourself to the end. Then you can visit a riverside and start finding like Dragonairs and Dratini. But using this method, you can go from level 1 to 5 in like 10 minutes. You will find all the Pokemon in the world. It's crazy. Oh, that Jinx! Another Jinx just appeared. What is it? What do I get? I got a revive. That's crazy. You get revives out of these? Oh my god, a Tauros? You see what it does? I'm so far away from that. Jeez, what a miniature. Oh, wow, that was stupid. That's not going in. What a miniature Tauros. Did it say nice for that? That was terrible. This thing's gonna break out. That's like catching a Mewtwo. Look at that. Nice throw. 610 experience. And when you activate a lucky egg, which I did just now, you get double that. So it's too dark to record outside right now, but we're gonna take a slow drive through and just see how many Pokemon pop up. Someone taking down that gym over there? Remember, just using an instance at the same time as a lure module is gonna bring you enough Pokemon to level you up pretty rapidly early on in the games. But if you find a spot where other people have put lure modules and there's just a ton like this, you will find so many Pokemon. What is that over there? Is that a Kabuto? Okay, a Rattata, Pidgey, and a Kabuto? No way in hell is that a Kabuto! This method just got me a Kabuto! That is not gonna... It hit him still. Why didn't you go in? That doesn't make sense. I'm gonna curveball this Kabuto. You ready for this curveball? Boom! Boom! Get caught! I want that 10 points! That 10 experience! Oh my goodness! One more! You're not fat. You're not fat. Look at this. I have the lucky egg on. Oh my god! 1200 experience. And if you're a genius, you get 1220. But 1200 from one encounter. you will find, you now you know how fast you'll level up. You do that 3 times, that's 3,000 experience. That is enough to bring you from level 1 to level 3.
Zoom in or something.
Look at this, I'm getting mad experience. Look at this, now the Pokemon are 112. Jeez, did you see that? Goldeen's and Hypnos. In 1 minute, I just got like 500 experience.
This is Thompson area. See, this is boom.
If you live near Pokestops like this, look at this. Now casually, Jinx are in the area, and there's Eradicate like 20 meters away. Oh, yo, I forgot. I could totally get the items off of these. Sorry to bug so many people. A freaking magic card. Nice. Oh, a Squirtle. And this Squirtle has 209 CP, and it's orange. That means it's extremely hard to catch. You gotta use like a raspberry to catch this thing. 1. Yeah, shoot. I gotta use like a raspberry. Go get this raspberry. Do you love? Okay, now it's still orange. It freaking hit the ball. This Squirtle will take you through a few gyms itself. Another Squirtle down. Look at that! A freaking Jinx just popped up. 209 CP? You okay? Yes! Another 1,200 experience. Whoa, a Nidoran! No! Oh, it's a Nidoran. Look at this, you see how much experience I need to level up? It was at the beginning, just a few minutes ago. What? A Ghastly? That's so creepy. Whoa, a Meowth? Another 1,200 experience. Look at that, a full cycle complete, and I've only been doing this for a bit. I had just turned level 11 when I got here, and I've become level 12. And the thing is, that takes 10,000 experience to do. You do that at the beginning of the game, you'll go to like level 5, level 6. You will go so far. And here's the thing, I haven't defeated a single gym yet. All of this experience is from doing just this. And I'm level 12. And there's a Poliwag, and I've never got it.